You just call me.
Are you call me? No. What's up, it's your girl Decky Boo, and from when I see the title, I don't know where I'm going, so I'm gonna have to really make a long intro. So I just want to big up, post notification shout out, yeah, to A Cup of Tea. Yes, go and subscribe to our channel. I'm gonna put it right beside me, either you saw or over you saw, you know, see. Yeah, go and subscribe to A Cup of Tea's channel, and guess what, I she first me call. So like every day man I talk, so I don't really feel like saying may I call up for something, but alright, let's do this. Alright, make sure it's my screen record so that we can put them reaction in this video, because you know say we want them reaction. Yeah. Alright. Screen record starting. Let's call video call. Let me do something. I wish I do. Come on, man. Come on. No answer. I watch, you know, tell her. You know what? I'll call her back. And this up, let me try somebody else. Make sure it's in a record. Try somebody else. This is Stacy. I'm not gonna see her in my previous video with the chips. Yeah, she not answer either. May I call him back now? May I call him back? Them not get with. Alright, you what? Try somebody else. I know. Tracy. That Trician, best friend from high school. If she not answer, I see, this will be an epic failure. I wonder if I wrong time I call them people, yeah. I'm gonna try somebody else. This feel like an epic failure. Him always the answer for him phone. If him not answer, something wrong. Him love chat. Him love company. And him ever see this. Hello? Hello? May I do something? May I call you back here? Yeah? Hello? Mascara? Him out on me. No sir. Not even. Okay. Let me try Selena. Not take no check. Just hang up. Selena not answer. Hello? Hi. May I do something? May I call you back here? You call me, may I call you back here? Selena. She hung up. Mascara call back. Hello.
I mean, you want to call me?
Mister, may I call you back? You call me every time. May I call you back? Mascara, may I call you back? Selena, call back. Selena.
Hi, babe.
Hi, babe. Hello, Mr. May I call you back? You keep calling me, Mr. May I call you back? She's not here. Alright. She's not here. Try to see anything. Why are these people so busy? You know what? I'm gonna pause this video and I'm gonna call somebody else. Call somebody else. God, this is crazy. This is very crazy. Who never call? Simone.
Hello.
Hello. May I call you back here?
Crazy school super.
Yeah, Mr. May I call you back? I can't talk right now.
Why does daddy call me that show me a room?
I can't talk right now. May I call you back?
Well,
You not hear me? Something wrong with me. Come like, oh, maybe a camera record. Me a screen record, so probably they not hear what me I go do. Me I go get my auntie phone and use the video then. Simona come back. Let me try. Yes.
what's up?
No, I'm there. Me say me I call you back.
You call me back?
Yeah, you there call me, I call you back.
Alright then.
Yeah. Lord Jesus. And that's why I come a carded screen record. So may I check may I just turn the phone. So come on to see them reaction. Yes, I'm gonna call back mascara because they never hear me. Yeah. Selena.
It's my connection is serious with you.
Yeah. Me they say yeah they call me so me I gonna call you back.
When me did call you?
You never dare call me, no you call me just all ago?
Girl, like you first you call me.
Oh.
I want this man. What could I call you?
Me I call you back. Me say me busy, me I call you back. Oh my god. Look. Hello. Tracy. Watch her. She'll come back. Hello? Hello? Tracy. Hello?
Hello?
How much time you call my phone? Me say me I call you back. You did call me.
No, you didn't call me. Are you must before me call from?
No, but me busy and you call me.
What is that? This girl called me 4 times and me I return back our missed call.
4 times me?
I can't show you. I'm not call you, girl.
Are you there call me? Stop it.
What's that, can I? 4 missed call. 19/6/2021. So me I return back our second time when me I call.
But me busy and you call me.
So all me for know you're busy. How me for know?
I want prank call me. I do for call people and tell them say me I call them back.
I must come like that.
She said I'm not calling you, girl. Alright, I'm gonna call some more people. I call Selena already. No, she the funny road, she know I care. I don't know she there with but yeah. Alright, try back a cup of tea. No, Selena, may I call back mistake. Call back mascara, I probably never hear me too. Hello? Mascala?
Yeah?
Me say,
Yeah.
me I go call you back. Why you keep calling?
You just call me.
Are you call me? No.
Oh, yeah. You call me first.
Are you? I be a
No,
miss
you
call
call
me
me first,
see. Go check out your phone. I be a miss call me see you give me.
That's crazy.
Say hi to the camera.
Ah!
May I call people and tell them say me busy, may I call them back.
You can't get me. I'm not the same already, but they can never get me.
Alright.
Bye.
Yeah, bye. Alright. A cup of tea. How is she there? She must be a cook. But she normally answer my phone because I don't know what's up. You know what? Let me call my auntie. Put on the Wi-Fi. Alright. Watch Taja. Taja say, is it an emergency? I'm at work. Oh, sorry. I forgot. May I text her and say, you call me. You a call me. Beer miss call me see. Something dropped. She said, for real? Wrong with your phone. Must be. She said, must be a mistake because I want to see. Alright, here what? She said, oh, I'm at work. Oh, sorry. Are you calling me? She said, I can't use my phone. I said, be a miss call me see. And she said, for real? I said, something wrong with the phone. And she said, must be mistake. The phone in the bag. Okay, child. Figures this should at work. Mama call somebody. No. Stacy should have online. Hello?
Yeah?
What? Eh? Yeah. Where you call me for? Yeah. So me about 10 minutes call me see from you. A joke. Me a prank people and tell them say them a call me. Oh, tell me come and catch you. Alright. No, sir. Alright, just me. I'm gonna call more people. I like it. I like it. Aisha. Hello?
Hey, what's up?
No, may I call you back here?
Okay.
Yeah. Seriously? Okay. No, may I call people? I've been calling people, telling them may I call them back? Like say, I them call me first. That's what I was doing. But I said, okay, okay. No sir, Shanik. see if she's online. Well, these are all busy working class people. Yeah. I call Sean. Sunny. See if she'll answer. I think this will be the last one. Hello?
Hey.
Hey.
Hi.
May I call you back here?
Okay.
Yeah. Seriously. She and Aisha. I'm actually calling people, telling them I'm gonna call them back. Like, I didn't call me. Yeah, prank me a prank. Yeah. But you and Aisha be like, okay. Okay, seriously, LOL. I thought something came up. That's Aisha's response. Look at that man's face, man. LOL. Alright. So, I think I call everybody on my list. I made a list, guys. Because no one make sure some can track my car. Like, I think Selena, Tracy, Pierce, Aisha, Shani, Master, and Simone. Yeah, so that should be it. Yes, Shanique responded with some laughy face. Wait, can't take the light here now. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this sweet you. Like how it sweet me. Yeah, see you in the next. Bye.